Okay, the video's launched. The very first thing I need to do is thank you for being on this video. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. At some point in time, you opted into one of my websites, whether it was a business opportunity or a program that I actually market and promote, or whether it's actually through one of my traffic broker websites. I want to thank you guys for coming in. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about advertising with banner ads. Okay, we're going to be talking about how to actually place yourself uh, in front of over 50 million adverts a day across more than 20,000 publisher websites for just pennies on the dollar. Now, this is the first of 3 proprietary media buy resources that you guys are going to find inside of traffic brokers. And the first 2, I really like. I love all of them. The first 2 are different than the last one, and you guys you'll be introduced to all 3. But what makes this different is the media buys on this site that I'm going to unlock and show you guys how we're going to start placing these banner and text ads. They're not necessarily business opportunity seekers, right? They're not your typical solo ad for affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, and things like that. The first 2. So what makes that an advantage actually in this instance is because they're not incentivized to click the banners, right? They're not incentivized. The only way, or the only incentive, right, to be honest, that they have for clicking the banners is out of sheer curiosity, because they want to know what's on the other side of those banners, right? And the particular publishers, it's a conglomerate, if you will, of publishers who are able to get tons and tons and tons and tons of traffic to their websites every day. And it's a conglomerate. And as a result of it, we get to place our banners on those websites where those people are coming to. Tens of thousands collectively, right? Actually, more than 50 million collectively. And so that's what makes this really, really special. And then the third proprietary media buy we're going to be talking about is probably something that you guys have never seen before. And I know you're going to really be excited about that because it is by far are going to be the most explosive of all the actual media buys. And you're going to love that. But today, guys, you have to excuse me, I'm about 45 minutes away from a ribeye steak and baked potato dinner, guys, and I got to prepare it. So I'm really excited about that as well. But so let's get into this, guys. Let's start talking about how you can advertise your business, right, to get more exposure, how you can advertise your business to get more traffic, how you can advertise your business to get more leads, and how you can advertise your business to build your list, okay, using text and banner ads, okay. And again, I'm going to show you guys, you're going to stand over my shoulder and watch me do it. And you do this the right way, it's going to take you all of 15 minutes to do it, set the whole thing up, actually less than that once you know how to do it. And I promise you, you'll generate leads, guys. Okay, I've generated leads from these platforms. I've made money, had people join me from these platforms, and they continue to do so. And so that's why I'm really excited about it. Now, before we get into the actual meat and potatoes of the actual resource that I'm going to take you guys to, I'm going to give you guys some banners. And so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. We're going to talk a little bit about banners, right? We're going to talk a little bit about banners because a lot of people hear about banner advertising and or even text advertising, and what happens is a lot of times they underestimate the awesome power of it. Now, every single platform, or well, I say 90% of all the platforms inside of traffic brokers have banner advertising available. But again, it's more of an incentivized type of, well, not all of it, but a lot of it's incentivized banner advertising, right? This banner advertising, right, is not incentivized. Again, there's nobody clicking your banners because they want more points or they want to generate more traffic using a traffic exchange or a safe list, that type of thing, which is cool too, because people clicking on those banners also are probably clicking on those banners because they're curious about what's on the other side. But here, there's no incentive at all. The people, they're going to see your banners, they're going to click them out of sheer curiosity, and depending on how you have your lead capture page and or your bridge page is set up, guys, you will get people clicking on your banners. And if you are using a lead capture page, or you're using this actual strategy to build your list, then you can do so, because the banners will redirect to your lead capture page. And from that lead capture page, you'll be able to extract leads out of these platforms. Okay, now, so what I've done, guys, is I've actually taken some banners, some free banners, by the way, that I'm going to give you guys, right? You guys can have any of these banners, right? And there are banners everywhere, right? But this is just to get you kicked off, right? Remember, I don't know exactly what it is you join me in, but you can use these banners. You can use this technique. You can use this strategy to go out and market and promote. So what I've done is I've connected a variety of pages on the other side of these banners. Some of them are capture pages. Some of them are bridge pages. Some of them are traffic resources. And the reason why is because I really want you to expand your mind in terms of what you can do when you talk about banner advertising, whether it be one of the proprietary media buy resources that we're talking about or not. When you're using banners, you have the capability of redirecting those banners to wherever it is you want them to go. And so if you want to build a list, you can take those banners and redirect them to your list. If you want to market a traffic resource on the other side of your banners, then you can do that. A program, a biz op, right? Your MLM, right? Your personal product and services. You can have these banners created for pennies on the dollar on places like Fiverr, or you can find them all over traffic exchanges and safe lists. So it's very, very popular when you know how to do it. When you set yourself a goal and you go into the actual platforms I'm going to show you now using this platform. Let me just jump back up to the top for a minute and talk about this. Using this platform, guys, now the benefit is you're going to be able to pause this traffic anytime that you want. You're going to be able to change your links out anytime that you want. You're going to be able to set a daily budget, as it were, anytime that you want. And you can set a budget from anywhere from a $10 total ad spend with $1 a day ad spend across that campaign, up to whatever you want to. $10 a day with a $5 ad spend, $5 a day for $2 ad spend. You'll get to see. And the benefit of doing that is when you're able to do that, you can do a lot of great testing, and you can do a lot of great tweaking. And as a result of that testing and tweaking, you can scale once you find out what's working. What are these people looking for? What do they want? Well, it's a great platform to do that, because we're talking about getting a lot of views to your website for just pennies on the dollar. And you guys are going to love the way that you're able to go in here, set this up, and forget it, right? And you can place as many ads as you want. You're not limited to how many ads you want. There's no affiliate component attached to this, guys. It's just straight traffic. Okay, that conglomerate of these proprietary media buys. In this particular one, we're talking about over 50,000 adverts a day across more than 20,000 published websites for just pennies on the dollar. And so I want you guys to understand that and take that into consideration as you watch and follow over my shoulder as we just go through a little bit about banners for you guys who don't know, and how you're able to take banners and redirect them to wherever you want. So let's click the very first banner and see where it takes us, guys. It should take us, who knows? I can't remember where I'm redirecting for this illustration. But in this instance, I'm redirecting to a lead capture page, right? You guys got, you guys get this, you guys see that, right? I have a banner. I'm clicking the banner, and it's taking my prospects. Anybody who was so inclined to click the banner, it's taking them over to a lead capture page, right? Simple enough, guys. Very simple and easy to do when you know how to set these up. Now let's click banner number 2 and see where that's going to take us. Again, prospects are clicking the banners. They're being redirected from that banner to an actual bridge page, a lead capture page, a traffic resource, your personal products and services, your Facebook group, wherever you want to take the prospect to. In this instance, I'm taking them over to my 24-hour money plan system. That's what happens. Got a lot of people out of this platform that came in. Well, not a lot, but over 15 people have come into this from this traffic, guys. Okay, so hopefully you're starting to get a better understanding. Let's click banner 3 and see where that banner takes us. Again, get creative. Use the banners. You don't need many. Obviously, this is taking my prospects over to TextBot. If you guys are familiar with TextBot, then that's exactly what this banner is redirecting to. And so it goes on and on and on and on, guys. And you can do this all day when you know how to do banners. Let's go and click this banner right here. This is banner number 4. And let's see where that banner takes us. And like the other banners, guys, it could be a lead capture page. It could be a landing page. It could be a bridge page. I actually redirected it right back to the page that we're on right now from that banner. So now hopefully you guys are starting to appreciate and get a better understanding about how banner advertising works, right? So let's go down and click this banner and see where that one takes us. And of course, guys, that's taking us over to my affinity processing system. And of course, again, you could take these banners and redirect these banners to wherever it is you want them to go. Now, I have them all attached. I don't have to click them all. I click one more just for you guys, again, to get to see, understand, and appreciate what you can do. And that one's going back to TextBot, of course. I didn't want to put too many different links in. I mean, I put enough in here for you guys to get a real good understanding about exactly where these banners are going. This is my free Xbox giveaway system. Of course, I'm taking prospects from that banner right over to the actual system. And so now that you understand, right, how banner advertising works and how it can work and how it will work, particularly in the platform and the media buys that I'm going to show you guys. Now what I want you guys to do is start thinking about what it is you're marketing promoting now or what it is you want to market and promote. Okay? Now, if you don't have something to market and promote, guys, you know I got you covered. But I'm sure most of you guys have already joined me in something. You already got something you want to market and promote. Maybe you just want to market and promote more of it or get more exposure for it. You want to advertise more. You want to get more traffic so that you can generate more leads so that you can build your list and you can build your business. So let's talk about how you're going to take these banners and you're going to actually download them. And I'll have instructions in here on it. It's a very simple process. When you want to download a banner, you would right click on the banner itself, and hopefully it'll let me do it without clicking over because I have them redirecting to banners. But when I did that, you'll see, if you enlarge your screen if it's not too small, when you right click on the banner and you come down just a little bit, you'll see this that says save image ads. And when you see that, you want to simply click save image ads. Okay. When you click save image ad on any of these banners, and my computer's slow, but what's going to happen in a few seconds, guys, is a window should open up. And when that window open up, let me do it again. It'll give you guys there it goes. It'll give you guys an opportunity to save that banner. And so that window just opened up on my left-hand side. You'll come down here on your screen. What you see is blank. And I'm just going to say new banner. Make sure you name it. It's something that you're going to remember. And when you do, guys, wait a minute. Just hit save. Look to the left. Oh, it already exists. So I already got it. So I'm going to say yes, rename it. Boom. Look to the left. You'll see the little drop down. It just came down. And now it's saved on my hard drive, on my desktop, on my computer. So when I get ready to run them, and when we get ready to run them in this first media buy resource, then you'll be able to do the exact same thing when you go in to upload those banners. Okay, so guys, go ahead on and make sure you familiarize yourself with the banners. Right, go ahead on and start saving those banners because we're going to use them. Now, a few other notes I want to cover real quick for all of the bonuses that I promised you guys for coming in. If you scroll to the very bottom of this page, you'll find all of those bonuses. You guys will also have instant access to the actual affiliate traffic brokers membership and everything that I mentioned on the actual page that you guys can get in and, just stand over my shoulder and watch and see and learn and listen to some of the things that I've been able to accomplish inside of traffic brokers and inside of my business because I focus so much on traffic. Okay, now I've also built out a marketing system. This right inside this page for you guys who are so inclined to pick up the marketing system. You can use this marketing system to build your list. And I'm going to show you. Let me show you guys how we're going to do that. I put the lead capture page for this actual thank you page inside of the membership. So I can't remember which one it was. Let me click this one. I think this may be it. and that's not it. So I know I put it in here because I really wanted you guys, I think it's the last one, guys. I really wanted you guys to get to see the lead capture page, because the lead capture page is what's actually, we can use this to build our list. We can use the actual marketing system itself to build a list. And so there's the lead capture page that I created for it. Again, how to advertise your banner and text ads to over 50 million adverts a day across more than 20,000 publisher websites. So what I've done, guys, is I've taken the actual share code for this actual lead capture page, and I placed it inside of your membership, so you guys will find that actual share code for both this thank you page and the actual lead capture page, and you will find them. I have them, so you guys can simply click and you can get over there and get them. Of course, guys, this actual marketing system is built inside of Leads Leap, so feel free to click here, set up your free Leads Leap account. You get the share codes. You can set up this whole big banner ads marketing strategy, marketing system in no time at all. And then, of course, guys, on the other end, you can go out and you can brand this whole page to yourself, to include the banners. And we'll have some traffic resources that you guys can get instant access to, and you can go ahead on and start firing up the actual system, if that makes sense. But everything that you need is on the page. Everything you will need to go out and fire up the big banner ads marketing strategy inside of the traffic brokers, if you will, guys. You'll find it right on this page, and you'll also find the lead capture page, and you can start setting up the actual marketing system itself. So I hope that makes sense. And I hope that it's got you super pumped up and excited, and I hope that you really have got a decent and a thorough understanding of how you can start advertising your business with banner advertising, how you can start advertising your business to get more traffic, how you can start advertising your business to get more leads, how you can start advertising your business to get more or build a bigger list, right? And so hopefully that all makes sense. And you guys will find any links that you need inside of the actual membership. So just go on and feel free, navigate around the site. Go down and place your first banner ad, guys. And I'll meet you in the next video where we're going to unlock that proprietary media buy resource. Take care. I'll see you guys.